If you're seeing the error Steam unable to initialize Steam API, don't worry. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few minutes. What this message usually means is that your game tried to connect to Steam to verify your ownership and load the Steam services, but that connection failed. In 2026, the most common causes are administrative permission conflicts, Windows Firewall blocking the connection, or a Steam beta client issue. In this video, I'll walk you through each fix step by step so you can get back into your game as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple gaming fixes and PC troubleshooting guides. Let's get started. First, restart Steam and your PC. This sounds basic, but it solves more problems than most people expect. Fully close Steam first, not just the window. Make sure it's closed from the system tray and the taskbar too. Then restart your computer. This clears temporary background issues and resets any stuck Steam processes that may be preventing the game from connecting properly. Once your computer is back on, open Steam again and don't launch the game from its file directly. Always start the game from your Steam library. That matters because the Steam API handshake only works correctly when the game is launched through Steam itself. If the error is still there, the next step is to run Steam as administrator. Sometimes the game has higher permissions than Steam, and when that happens, the game can't properly talk to Steam's background services. To fix this, close Steam completely again, then right-click the Steam shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. When Steam opens with elevated permissions, try launching the game again from your library. This one change often fixes the issue right away, especially for games that need deeper system access or older titles that are more sensitive to permission conflicts. Next, let's check Windows Firewall. In 2026, Windows updates can sometimes reset firewall rules without warning, and that can block the local communication between Steam and your game. To fix this, open Control Panel, then go to System and Security, and open Windows Defender Firewall. On the left side, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now look through the list for Steam and for the game that's giving you the error. Make sure both the private and public boxes are checked. If either one is blocked, Steam may not be able to complete the API connection. After saving your changes, close everything and test the game again. If that still doesn't work, you should opt out of the Steam beta client. Beta versions can sometimes test new Steam networking features that don't play nicely with certain games, especially older games or indie titles. To do this, open Steam and go to Settings, then click Interface. Find Client Beta Participation and set it to No Beta Chosen. Steam will restart and switch you back to the stable public version. Once it finishes updating, try launching the game again from your library. This step is very important if the issue started after a Steam update, because beta client changes are a common reason the Steam API stops initializing correctly. Another helpful fix is clearing the Steam download cache. Open Steam, go to Settings, then Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. This refreshes Steam's local configuration and can remove corrupted temporary data that may be interfering with the client. After clearing the cache, Steam may ask you to sign in again, so just log back in and test the game afterward. This is a safe step and often helps when the client is acting strangely or when multiple Steam-related problems are happening at once. So to quickly recap, restart Steam in your PC, launch the game from the Steam library, run Steam as administrator, allow Steam through Windows Firewall, opt out of Steam beta, and clear the download cache. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the Steam unable to initialize Steam API error immediately. If not, the issue may be tied to the game installation itself, but these steps cover the most common causes first and should be your starting point every time. If this video helped you fix the problem, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next gaming troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.